Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is FRITTATA. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make beans cake called akara in Nigeria. So if you've not made this beans cake before, this is the simple way I'm gonna show you how to make this beans cake. So the beans I'm using is the black eyes beans. So I soak them for about 3 to 4 hours. You can soak it overnight. I soak it and I peel off all the chaff, and this is the beans I use, Green Valley. You can use brown beans if you have. Since I don't have brown beans, this one is perfect. So I've washed my beans, I peeled them already. As you can see, the black eyes is not there, so I've washed everything out, and I have my chopped onions, and I have my pepper, and I have my seasoning and my salt. So now the next step is to blend these beans. So I'm going to blend the beans now. So I'll finish blending my beans, as you can see. So this is the consistency. So I'm going to add my onion and my salt, my pepper, and my seasoning. So I'm mixing it together. So you mix it very well. So after you finish mixing the beans, so I put my oil. So I'm just going to drop my akara inside. So you'll make it very brown. When it's ready, you will know that the akara is ready. So it's not yet ready now. So it's going to be very brown in color. So my akara is ready, as you can see. You can try this way. It's very simple to make akara and it's very tasty. You can serve it with bread, you can serve it with pap. So I will leave a link below how you can make pap. So I will leave the link. You can see how to make pap and it can go with akara. It is very perfect. Akamu and akara is good. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Also share this video with your friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.